This is the Samsung Galaxy A15 and for the price of 177,000 naira, I must say it offers a significant upgrade from its predecessor, the Samsung Galaxy A14. And in the course of this video, you will see why. So click on that like button so that more people can get to see this video and that subscribe button as well. Thank you and let's get started. Unboxing the Galaxy A15, we pretty much don't get anything anymore, just some paperwork and a Type-C to C cable. The Galaxy A15 itself still retains the design of last year, but this time the power button area, which doubles as a fingerprint scanner, is slightly raised. Also, at the bottom, instead of the normal speaker grills, we now get a speaker slit, if I may say. And sadly, it isn't a stereo speaker setup. Also, the headphone jack is still present. I wonder when Samsung will get rid of it because I am definitely sure they have it in mind. The Samsung Galaxy A15 is a 4G device that supports dual 4G nano SIM cards, but there is a 5G variant which I doubt is available in this region, at least at the time recording this video. Anyways, moving on to the display, the notch really stands out. I mean, it's pretty much only Samsung that gives us a device with a notch style cutout at this price range. That said, the display is amazing. It is a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and support for 90 Hz refresh rate. Also, it doesn't stop there. You get a peak brightness of about 800 nits, which means it is usable under direct sunlight. And to be honest, aside the notch, the display is amazing. Good job, Samsung. But something that you could have done to seal the deal is to add always on display, but I am guessing that feature is for their higher tier devices. Now, for software, Samsung is pretty good in that regards. The Galaxy A15 ships with Android 14 and One UI 6, and I must say it looks good. Scrolling through the UI is also fluid compared to the likes of the Galaxy A14 of last year. We will be getting 4 years of major OS updates and 1 more year of security patches, and I think it's only Samsung that provides 4 years of software updates at this price range, which is honestly a slap to other manufacturers. But one thing that I really think Samsung should stop doing is not adding a native screen recorder to their lower end devices. I mean, even the budget of budget devices come with screen recorders, so come on, what's going on, Samsung? Anyways, as for performance, the Galaxy A15 performs much better compared to the Galaxy A14 of last year. In terms of performance, this device is competing with the likes of the Tecno Spark 20 Pro with its MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, coupled with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. So if you want to game, the Galaxy A15 is capable. Also, the 5000 mAh battery enables it to last through the entire day on average use cases. When it comes to cameras, the Samsung Galaxy A15 has the same camera setup as last year. It takes decent photos and can record videos up to 1080p 30 frames per second, which is quite surprising because the Galaxy A05 and A05s can record up to 1080p 60 frames per second, but definitely the quality on the A15 is better than the one on an A05. And yeah, the Samsung Galaxy A15 is an okay device and I would definitely recommend it to those who are in the market for it. Let me know your thoughts and opinion in the comment section, and thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.